Social Media Marketing Crash Course, Social Media and E-Commerce. Introduction. In today's digital age, the integration of social media and e-commerce has revolutionized the way businesses operate and interact with customers. Social media platforms provide a powerful avenue for brands to showcase their products, engage with their audience, and drive sales. In this crash course, we will explore the exciting realm of social media and e-commerce, discussing strategies, success stories, and the top 12 social e-commerce methods and techniques. Stories and examples. To ignite your excitement, let's dive into some captivating stories and examples of successful social e-commerce ventures. 1. Shopify and Kylie Cosmetics. Kylie Jenner, a well-known entrepreneur and influencer, launched her cosmetics brand, Kylie Cosmetics, primarily through social media and e-commerce. With the help of Shopify, she created an online store that showcased her products and leveraged social media platforms like Instagram to promote her brand. The combination of high-quality products, influencer marketing, and seamless online shopping experience propelled Kylie Cosmetics to become a multi-million-dollar business. 2. Warby Parker's socially driven eyewear. Warby Parker, an eyewear company, recognized the power of social media in driving e-commerce sales. They implemented a social sharing feature on their website, allowing customers to try on frames virtually and share their options with friends and followers on social media. This feature not only enhanced the online shopping experience but also generated organic word-of-mouth marketing, leading to increased brand visibility and sales. 3. Nike's sneakerhead community. Nike has cultivated a strong online community of sneaker enthusiasts through its social media channels. They leverage social media platforms to release limited edition sneakers, create buzz, and engage with their passionate fanbase. By integrating e-commerce functionality into their social media campaigns, Nike taps into the enthusiasm and loyalty of their audience, resulting in quick sellouts and increased brand loyalty. 4. Glossier's influencer collaborations. Glossier, a skincare and beauty brand, leverages the power of influencers to drive e-commerce sales. They collaborate with popular beauty influencers and provide them with unique discount codes to share with their followers. This approach not only generates brand awareness but also incentivizes their followers to make a purchase, as they feel a sense of exclusivity and trust in the influencer's recommendation. 5. Amazon and social shopping. Amazon, the world's largest e-commerce platform, has incorporated social shopping features to enhance the user experience. They integrate customer reviews, ratings, and social sharing buttons into their product listings, allowing shoppers to make informed decisions and share their purchases with their social networks. This social proof and easy sharing mechanism contribute to increased conversions and customer engagement. Top 12 social e-commerce methods, techniques. Now, let's delve into the top 12 social e-commerce methods and techniques that businesses can employ to drive their online sales and engagement. 1. Social shopping platforms. Platforms like Instagram Shopping and Facebook Shops enable businesses to showcase their products, tag them in posts, and provide direct purchasing options, seamlessly integrating social media and e-commerce. 2. Influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers who align with your brand values and target audience can significantly boost e-commerce sales. Influencers can create engaging content, recommend products, and drive traffic to your online store. 3. User-generated content. Encouraging customers to share their experiences and showcase your products through user-generated content, UGC, creates social proof and builds trust among potential customers. UGC can be shared on social media platforms and linked back to your e-commerce store. 4. Shoppable posts and stories. Leveraging features like Instagram shoppable posts and stories allows businesses to tag products within their social media content, providing a seamless shopping experience for their audience. 5. Live streaming, hosting live. Streaming sessions on platforms like Facebook Live, Instagram Live, or YouTube Live gives businesses an opportunity to showcase products in real time, interact with viewers, and answer their questions, ultimately driving e-commerce sales. 6. Social media advertising. Running targeted social media ads can effectively reach a specific audience, promote products, and drive traffic to your e-commerce store. Platforms like Facebook ads and Instagram ads offer sophisticated targeting options. 7. Social contests and giveaways. Organizing contests and giveaways on social media platforms can create a buzz, increase engagement, and drive traffic to your e-commerce store. Encourage participants to share their entries and tag friends, expanding your reach. 8. Chatbots and Messenger Marketing. Utilizing chatbots and messenger marketing allows businesses to provide personalized customer support, answer queries, and even facilitate e-commerce transactions directly within messaging apps. 9. Social proof and reviews. Displaying customer reviews, testimonials, and social proof on your e-commerce website and social media channels helps build trust and confidence in your products, leading to increased conversions. 10. Social listening. Monitoring social media conversations related to your brand and products allows you to gain insights, address customer concerns, and identify trends that can inform your e-commerce strategies. 11. Influencer takeovers. Allowing influencers to take over your social media accounts for a day or a specific campaign can attract their followers' attention, generate excitement, and drive traffic to your e-commerce store. 12. Personalized recommendations. Leveraging customer data and behavior, businesses can offer personalized product recommendations to their social media followers, increasing the likelihood of conversions and repeat purchases. Summarization. In this crash course on social media and e-commerce, we explored the powerful integration of social media platforms and e-commerce strategies. We discussed captivating stories and examples of successful ventures and identified the top 12 social e-commerce methods and techniques. From social shopping platforms to influencer marketing, user-generated content, and personalized recommendations, businesses have a wide range of tools at their disposal to drive e-commerce sales, engage with their audience, and build brand loyalty. Whether it's Kylie Cosmetics' social media-driven success, Warby Parker's virtual try-on feature, or Nike's passionate sneakerhead community, the potential for social media and e-commerce synergy is limitless. By effectively utilizing these methods and techniques, businesses can leverage the power of social media to boost their online sales, create meaningful connections with their customers, and thrive in the digital marketplace. Poem. In the realm of social media, where connections intertwine, e-commerce takes flight, a dance so divine. Stories unfold, a brands that soared high. Harnessing social power, with the e-commerce tie. Kylie's Cosmetics, a digital sensation. Shopify's support, a flawless foundation. Warby Parker's eyewear, a virtual delight. Sharing frames with friends, through the social light. Nike's sneakerheads, a passionate crew. Uniting through social, their loyalty true. Glossier's influencers, a trusted guide. Driving e-commerce sales, with a personal stride. Amazon social shopping, a virtual bazaar. Reviews and ratings, guiding from afar. Instagram shoppable posts, a visual delight. Transforming likes to sales, with a seamless flight. Influencers sway, a marketing force. Sharing products, endorsing with no remorse. User-generated content, a customer's tale. Building trust and loyalty, beyond the sale. Live streaming moments, in real-time grace. Connecting with viewers, face-to-face. Social ads, targeting with precision. Driving traffic and sales, with expert decision. Contests and giveaways, a viral spree. Excitement and engagement, for all to see. Chatbots and messaging, a personalized chat. Guiding customers to purchase, just like that. Social proof and reviews. A trusty guide. Convincing the hesitant, to take the stride. Social listening, insights to behold. Understanding the audience, creating stories untold. Influencer takeovers, a collaborative spree. Sharing the spotlight, for all to see. Personalized recommendations, a tailored touch. Guiding customers towards products they love so much. So embrace the fusion of social and e-commerce. Unleash the potential, let your brand's voice immerse. Engage, connect, and watch your sales soar. In the world of social media, where dreams galore. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of social media, where stories come alive. E-commerce and connection, in perfect harmony they thrive. From Kylie's Cosmetics to Nike's sneakerhead crew. Social media and e-commerce, a journey for the few. Chorus. Social e-commerce, a powerful blend. where brands find success and sales transcend. Through influencers, contests, and shoppable posts. The digital world opens, where possibilities boast. Verse 2. Glossier's influencer collaborations, a trusted source. Warby Parker's virtual try-on, a shopping tour de force. Amazon social shopping, where reviews take flight. And Instagram shoppable moments, making shopping bright. Bridge. User-generated content, a customer's voice. Live streaming and social ads, giving brands a choice. Chatbots and personalized recommendations, so tailored and true. Social listening and social proof, guiding businesses through. Chorus. Social e-commerce, a powerful blend. Where brands find success and sales transcend. Through influencers, contests, and shoppable posts. The digital world opens, where possibilities boast. Outro. So embrace the fusion of social and e-commerce. Let your brand's voice soar, its presence immerse. With social media and e-commerce hand in hand. The future is yours, in this digital wonderland. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.